in the last 5 years, the kind of development that has taken place in Tamil Nadu. Especially the poor people and middle class people are feeling a lot of relief because of his activities. Some of his schemes are worthy of emulating all over the country. And third reason is that whenever there is a crisis at the national level, especially when the national government has acted in dictatorial manner, whenever there is an assault on federalism or democracy, Tirus Telinji's voice has been a very strong voice at the national level. He has stood for the country, he has stood for democracy, he has stood for state federalism. That is the reason I have come to support Tirus Telinji, and I appeal to the people of Tamil Nadu to vote overwhelmingly in his favor and in favor of his party, so that he wins with much better majority than last time. Yesterday, regarding your question, yesterday myself and Tirus Telinji, we did a roadshow, and all of you were there in the roadshow. The overwhelming response, the expressions on the face of the people were so overjoyed to see him. He's a very popular leader, and I'm sure that people will vote for him.
Sir, BJP is trying to gain a foothold in Tamil Nadu in alliance with AIADMK. What do you think their chances are? How many seats do you think they might win in this upcoming election?
People of Tamil Nadu hate BJP. People of Tamil Nadu hate its divisive politics, its vicious politics. And that is the reason that BJP has not been able to make a mark in Tamil Nadu for so many years. This time they have got 27 seats. They're in alliance with ADMK. But everyone knows that ADMK is completely in the crutches of BJP. Even if BJP wins one seat, I'm sure people will not vote for NDA, they will not vote for ADMK, they will not vote for BJP. But suppose, theoretically, if they win, if NDA wins, then even if BJP gets one seat, they will form their own chief minister, like they did in Bihar, in Nitish Kumar. So I want to tell the people that they should be wary of BJP, they should be wary of NDA, because NDA is BJP, it is not ADMK plus BJP, number one. Number two, last year in Delhi, people voted for BJP, they formed BJP government. In 1 year itself, people are fed up of BJP government. All the good work that we had done in the field of education, health, infrastructure, road, electricity, water has been undone by the BJP. So if people by mistake vote for BJP or NDA or ADMK, then all the good work that Tirus Telinji has done in the last 5 years will all be undone in no time.